What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, your company has a 500,000 loan for a new robotic machining center it just bought. The interest rate of this loan is 6% per year, and your company's initial plan is to pay for the loan in exactly 30 years. Annual payment is made at the end of each year. What is the annual payment your company has to pay at the end of each year? Okay. Now to find this one out, we are going to use this formula. A is equal to P times A over P. This is capital recovery factor, A over P. And I is the interest rate, N is the number of years. Now principal amount that's given right here, that's 500,000. 500,000 and A over P. And the interest rate is 6%. So I put that one right here, 6%. And it's for 30 years, so N is 30. And if you look at this value, this AP 6% 30 value in the table, you will see this is 0.07265, and if you calculate this one, you're going to get 36,325, and that's the answer for the A part. Now let's look at the B part. The B part is asking, based on the initial annual payment calculation above, your company has now decides that it can afford to pay 50,000 per year, which is more than the initial annual payment. By paying 50,000 annually, how many payments years will the loan of 500,000 be paid off, assuming the same interest rate is used, 6% annually? Okay. By paying $50,000 annually, 50,000 annually, 500,000 is equal to 50,000 PA 6% N. Okay, now if you divide this one, 500 divided by 50,000, that is 10. Here we are going to use that linear interpolation method. So 6% N. Here what we do is we look at this value. What is the value nearest to 10? And if you look from the table, you will see PA 6% 15 is almost near to 9.7122, and also if you notice the above value, PA 6% 16 is equal to 10.106, and from this one you can clearly see 16 is very close to 10, right? So that's the answer. So answer is it takes 16 years. So by paying 50,000 per year, it will take 16 years. 16 years. C part is, by paying 50,000 annually, how much is the last payment? So last payment at year 16 can be calculated as 50,000 times PA 6% 15 years plus F16. This is what we are trying to find. PF 6% 16 years, that's equal to 500,000. And from this one, if you solve for F16, you will end up with 36,555.3, and that's the answer for the C part. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.